about the basic HTML tag during the class. If not, maybe along this week you will be given the lecture regarding this topic. But this is okay. Since HTML is easy, okay, you can find the tag, the code easily from the internet. Okay, you can easily find the tag. Okay, and they also have an online editor. So yes, you can mix match, search the required HTML, okay, and use them in your assignment. All right, so this is the lab assignment. Last week, it's not assignment, okay? So this week we start the assignment. So all for this subject, okay, assignment, you will be given 20%. Okay, so how many number of assignment? I believe about six, okay, assignment. So we will take an average of 20%. So akan dapatlah 30%. So 20%, this coming from 5% coming from the cognitive, the report, and another 15% coming from the psychomotor. Psychomotor means your skill of the development. So that's why you need to submit the page, okay, containing the code and itself. So for us to evaluate your psychomotor domain. Okay, so the learning objective for this week is to evaluate the response, okay, how you solve the problem given, okay, and secondly is to evaluate the skill, how the web page is developed. Are you using the code correctly, okay, and then to evaluate the value added, okay, of creativity, knowledge or skills in the web page development. So the item number 3 is for us to evaluate the skills you include, but the value added must relevant to the task. Okay, sometimes this is good, but it's not relevant to the task, so it will be excluded. Okay, so the activity in this week is to use combination of HTML text, okay, properly based on the suitable requirement of the case study. Case study is the question given. Okay, now in this lab you will be given 2 tasks. Okay, 2 tasks. Okay, and then what you need to submit on your author is, the first task is the assignment 1 report. Okay, I already upload the template, so you may download it and put your findings in that report and then resubmit again. Okay, and the first one, and second one is the 3 web pages. So you keep it in a folder, one folder, and you zip it and before you upload into the author. So the 3, this is for the first task, and the other 3 is for the second task. 4 ni silap. 4. Okay, so submission in author and the deadline is 26 October. So late submission will be penalized. Please follow. So 1 week to complete. So now during this in this lab, you can quickly start your assignment task. Okay, macam okay. So this is the first task, is to create a web page, namely biodata, the HTML. Okay, arrange the information in the following format. Following format maksudnya ni. So you already given the wireframe or sketching of what will be needed in your page. Okay, and then you use a table. Ni dia dah sebut you need to use a table text to form the structure of the content. Then finally, you can use any relevant text okay, to be included in your page. The first task, okay, create a page, namely biodata.html. Okay. Dalam ni kena maklumat you sendirilah. Okay, you need to fill in your original name, your original information. So this is the structure of your page content. Kena ada ni lah. Lain-lain maklumat where necessary you can input it. Contohnya, for example, tiba-tiba page ni ada macam ni je kan, but no heading. So you can put the heading. For example, my bio data. So this is the heading. You can add in the heading. Okay. For example, and any relevant. Okay. The second task is my dream house. Here you are required to create a multiple, actually 3 web pages that describe your dream home. Okay. So the first task is to design a wireframe for 3 web pages based on the layout of your choice. So it's depending on your interest, your choice. You need to design first the content of the pages. Okay, after designing, then you transfer the design to the page, okay, by creating the 3 web pages and link the 3 pages together. So see the point here is design wireframe, design the pages, and then link them together. Okay, so what HTML code is used to link the items, the pages, and then you can include any relevant HTML, okay, including tables, lists, image, videos, hyperlinks, font type, size, colors, sounds, backgrounds, okay, and also include the correct navigation buttons or any form of navigation style. So importantly here is navigation, okay, navigation. So this is a 2 tasks, okay, and this is the instruction. The other document is the template. Okay, you will be given this one, template. Okay. I forget something. Okay, I will change it. Your detail is not provided. Okay. Then here you need to provide, okay, some description how you complete this task. So you write down some description here and then list the HTML code use. So here put a screenshot of a build web page. Yeah, so this is for the task 1. And for the task 2, the same. Okay, describe how you complete this task. And second is to list the elements used. And then this is to provide the page design. So this is example. Tadi ada yang tanya. This is the example of wireframe. Okay, wireframe. Then finally, you put a screenshot of the picture of the build web page. And then together with the page itself. Okay. And the last question is lesson learned. Okay. Summary or conclusion discussing on what have been learned, difficulties or anything. Okay. So all the item provided here, okay, you need to answer because the answer have a the score. Okay, we give the score even in this part. Okay. All right. Any question? So this is the assignment.
So far so good, Doctor.
Okay, dah makan?
Dah.
Cepat tu makan. Okay. Now go back to your own editor. Sebab saya open, nak guna editor mana pun boleh. Ni tadi yang contoh saya tunjuk lah. Nak buat yang baru pun boleh. Ni guna Visual Studio Code. Okay. Ada yang nak tengok saya buat daripada awal? Saya tunjuk sekali lagi yang last time. Tadi saya dah buat juga untuk yang satu lab session. Okay. Data saya remove dulu ya. Sample. Okay. Example. Ni tadi saya create. So you can just include in here. New folder. Okay, new folder. Then name it. Ni dah salah ni sebab di bawah ni. Patutnya under project, new folder. So you can name the folder. Dia akan automatically simpan dalam project. Ingat tak last week kita buat dalam folder projects. Okay, so this is activity last week. So this two is for this week. Okay, so under the folder you can put in a new file. So give the name file. Okay, for example, task 1. Okay, task 1 .html. You need to provide the extension. Okay, task 1. Then they open you the blank editor. Okay, blank editor. Kalau dalam Dreamweaver dia dah siap-siapkan kan dia punya skeleton dia tu untuk HTML. Yang sini memang langsung blank. Okay, so you need to put it in lah dia punya. Dalam task ni saya dah masukkan juga, so you can use lah. Okay, mana dah hilang? Okay, dekat sini. Ni contoh. Okay. The basic, so you have a HTML file, okay, the tag, then the head and also the body. Ni tahu kan ini structure yang membina page HTML. Any web page pun macam ini juga sebenarnya, PHP ke apa ke C# ke apa semua, structurenya yang mana yang namanya web page perlu ada structure ini. The head and also ada body dia. Okay. Mana yang baru nak mahirkan diri, so ini dekat sini boleh gantilah information inside. So you can name, saya patah balik lah tadi ya, yang biodata ni. Name. Tadi saya ubahlah contohnya sini. Kan, my biodata. Bawah ni mungkinlah awak ada description nak tambah, boleh tambah. Kemudian tadi tujuan kita nak letak apa? Nak letak this one kan. Wireframe dah diberi, mesti ada table yang begini. So nak kena buat apa? Kena masukkan table. Table, ingat tak ingat kena ni lah ya. Kena cari. Kadang dekat Visual VSC ni dia tak beri tool yang macam tu kan. Kalau dalam Dreamweaver dia dah ada dah, kita boleh insert table dah lebih mudah. Yang ni banyak lebih kepada code lah, kena ada effort on the code. Tapi tak susah juga because you can easily find search on the text from the internet. For example here HTML ni ada tables, okay, so you boleh copy paste, okay, table ni masukkan dekat sini, so automatically dia letak lah. So you can adjust. So TH table heading and then TR table dia punya row is showing the row, okay, and the TD is the column, okay, the description of the column. So you can play around this one, okay, to satisfy the requirement of your task. Kat sini. Ada yang tak kena sikit tu, macam ni nak kena collapse dia punya table kan, dia punya row kan, jadi single ni, single row, okay. So you boleh cari jugalah dekat sini, yang ini dekat sini, co-span, control. So boleh pilih lah mana bersesuaian, nampaknya macam yang ini, so you boleh study, ambil dia punya code. Contohlah kalau yang ni kita tengok jadi apa. Tak nampak pula dia punya border. Jadi kita kena masukkan border pula. Okay. Contohnya ini kita ambil kat sekarang dah nampak border. Pun tak nampak juga sebab skrin saya gelap. Masukkanlah, letaklah warna apa. Okay, nampak kan? So you can play around lah with this. Kena ingat baliklah yang atas ni. Okay, so awak boleh buat sekarang, ada masa. Kalau dapat siapkan satu task at least, dah senang sedikit lah. Dah kurang sikit kerja awak. Dah makin banyak kan kerja sekarang. Okay, saya nak update sedikit template tadi. So jangan guna dulu ya template ni. Saya nak update sedikit. Saya terlupa masukkannya. Okay. Saya dah masukkan